Sili in their last game, only 1 of 6 from the field.
Mamuya now on the attack.
My goodness,
He scored the
Mamu.
basket! He scored the basket! On the way down! Ay, sorry. Grabe yung ginagawa dito ni Mamuya.
He's got 10 points in the third quarter alone, 15 in total. Pwede pang dagdagan with a bonus free throw.
With that incursion. And you know what, Judd? Hindi na sila nag-rely on the three-point shot.
That's
Atake
right.
na lang sa loob. And I'm sure yan ang pinag-usapan nila at the half. Needed. Kasi yung Rainer shot kept attacking inside. Ito yung outside shot. Hindi na pumapasok. Ngayon naman ang Magnolia tumiti. By Rainer Shine. Loose ball. Masabi ni Johnson na penalty.